Ever notice how Christmas is both the most wonderful and the most exhausting time of the year? Between cooking, hosting, and trying to keep peace in the family, you end up more tired than Santa after delivering gifts. But queens, after 40, energy is gold, and I've got 2 simple holiday routines that will keep your energy high without needing 3 cups of coffee. 1. Hydration habit. Start every morning with a big glass of warm lemon water. It hydrates, aids digestion, and prevents energy crashes. Carry a bottle during the day so you're sipping, not just eating. Tip: flavor it with cucumber, mint, or ginger for a festive touch. 2. Movement moments. Don't wait for January resolutions. Even 15 to 20 minutes of walking, dancing, or stretching every day keeps your energy flowing. Tip: turn on Christmas music and dance while cooking. It counts as cardio. Picture this: you're stirring beef stew while doing a little shoulder shimmy to Mariah Carey. Calories are burning, mood is lifting, and suddenly cooking feels like Zumba class. Energy after 40 just doesn't happen. We create it. Small, consistent routines during the holidays keeps us glowing instead of crashing. What's your go-to routine for staying energized? Share it in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and check the playlist. Tomorrow is the big finale. I'll reveal 1 simple Christmas habit that keeps women over 40 healthy all year round.